my name is Christopher Ferreira and I am the Safety and Security Coordinator for Everett Public Schools. It is our paramount duty to provide learning environments where our students, staff, and community feel both safe and secure. The upcoming capital levy includes several facility upgrades needed to ensure that every student in our district has the same opportunity to learn in safe and secure spaces. Levy-funded upgrades will ensure we can restrict unauthorized access to buildings during the school day and also after hours. In addition, we will fund the installation of video monitors, access control, and security systems at buildings and sites not yet updated, which provides consistency across the district. Also, by replacing keying and locking sets district-wide, our teachers will be able to lock their classroom doors from the inside rather than the outside with the use of a key. Children thrive in safe, secure school environments. When students feel safe, they have more room to focus on their learning.